The tunable white 10mm hippo connectors are available in IP00 and IP65. Now these connectors are fairly easy to use, and with the help of a set of pliers you can just close the 3-core cable on one side of the connector and then place the strip that you'd like to power up on the other side of the connector, and everything should be working smoothly after firmly closing the connector. The 10mm tunable white strip-to-strip connector is also fairly easy to use. You will just need to place the strip on either side of the connector by matching the polarity, and then everything should be working smoothly once again. For the IP65 version, make sure to use a set of pliers to firmly close the connector to ensure that the PCB is pierced through by the pins of the connector. The same concept will apply for the IP65 strip-to-strip tunable white connector. Make sure that the connector is firmly closed in order to ensure the current passing through onto the other section of the LED strip. Click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.